Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add effects in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open CapCut. Now click on New Project. Select a photo or video that you wanna edit. Then tap on Add button. Here in the menu bar, you can see the effects option. Click on it. Now you can apply video effects for videos, photo effects for photos, and body effects for both of them. Tap on video effects. And here you'll get wide variety of options to choose from. Click on the effect that you wanna add. Then click on check sign icon. You can move the effect to the point where you want it to appear. And you can cut it as well. You can adjust the appearance of the effect, replace it, copy it, objectify it, and delete it. And you can also add multiple effects according to the length of your video. Now tap the play button to preview the effects on your video. And if you're done, you can save the video by clicking on upward arrow button in the top right corner. And that is how you can add effects in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.